chimpanzee, gorilla and orangutan. Can you tell me where you can find them? Just identify the continent. We need to know about the Bengal slow loris. So this species, one that it is endangered. IUCN status इसका endangered है. Why it is endangered? Because of the exotic pet trade. Let's study about our relatives. Humans के relatives यही है. So this is basically your first, the gorilla, chimpanzee, orangutan. These are all apes. पहली चीज आपको याद रखनी है, there are some differences between the apes and monkeys. Broadly we say these are primates. क्या बोलते हैं इनको? Primates. Among these we identify more with the apes. Our evolution, if you see, it's common with the apes. And among the apes and monkeys, what are the significant differences? One, tail is not there in the apes, but there will be tail in the monkeys. In size, if you see, apes will be larger. They will be larger also, and they will be having stockier bodies, means heavier, bulky bodies. They will be having larger and stockier bodies, plus their chest is very wide. Their chest is very wide. Now just the opposite here. Monkeys, they are having usually very narrow chest, and they will be also smaller in size. If you see in the apes, we have some of the examples you should remember. The gorillas, chimpanzees. This year they asked us about bonobo. एक ऑप्शन में था ना. And then you have orangutan. ठीक है. Let's see this image, and one by one we'll see what is special about each one of these. I had some things written for you separately. अच्छा, गोरिल्ला के बारे में आप मुझे बताइए. एनीबडी हु नोज? देयर आर द chimpanzee, gorilla and orangutan. Can you tell me where you can find them? Just identify the continent. अफ्रीका में कौन सा मिलेगा आपको? Gorilla will be there. What about chimpanzee? Chimpanzee is also there in Africa. Eastern and Southern Africa, you can find chimpanzee also. Then the orangutan. नहीं, ये अफ्रीका में नहीं है. चाइना में नहीं है. और सोचो. नहीं, अमेरिका में भी नहीं है. हाँ, साउथ ईस्ट एशिया में पर्टिकुलरली ओरांग उटान विल बी देयर इन द बोर्नियो एंड सुमात्रा आइलैंड्स, इंडोनेशिया. ठीक है. हाँ, यस यस. हाँ, दीज आर ऑल ओल्ड वर्ल्ड. तो हमारा इवोल्यूशन ओल्ड वर्ल्ड मंकी से ही है. I'm not getting those notes which I had written for you people.
These are really good called as old world
अच्छा.
monkeys. Old world monkeys भी हैं.
हाँ हाँ, ये सारे ओल्ड वर्ल्ड हैं. ओल्ड वर्ल्ड में आपके सारे वो आएंगे विच आर देयर इन अफ्रीका एंड एशिया. न्यू वर्ल्ड जो नए अब ज़्यादा डेवलप होके बैठे हैं अभी. ठीक है. हाँ, यस. So if you see the characteristics about each one of them, about you see about the the first one about the gorillas. First thing, just you take a look at this. They are able to walk on all of their four, and they will be largely terrestrial only. They will stay only on the ground. ये ट्रीज पे नहीं जाते हैं. And if you see particularly their distribution, that is there in the sub-Saharan Africa region. In the sub-Saharan Africa region, you will find them. They are also divided into some subtypes: Western and Eastern gorillas. Western and Eastern gorillas, that is dependent, that categorization is based upon their distribution within the continent of Africa.
उसमें कुछ डिफरेंस है जो नेम डाल दिया.
अलग अलग जगह पे हैं, थोड़ा बहुत जेनेटिक डिफरेंस है, एंड दे आर गिवन डिफरेंट नेम्स. ठीक है. सो दीज ईस्टर्न एंड द वेस्टर्न गोरिल्लाज, दे आर योर endangered species. They will be critically endangered. Eastern and Western. These both, if you see, highly threatened है. But there is another category which is found a little on the hilly areas within Africa. That is your mountain gorilla बोलते हैं उसको. Mountain gorilla. Mountain gorilla is endangered. Now you look at the chimpanzees. Chimpanzees we already discussed. Orangutan and chimpanzees, they both are very clever at using the tools. तो इनका प्राइमरी डाइट क्या था? Insects and termites. Apart from that, they will also be feeding upon the leaves and the grasses in their habitat. If you see the chimpanzees, इनका IUCN status, that is also endangered. This is also endangered. In fact, चिंपैंजी के साथ हमारे 98% जीन्स मैच होते हैं. सो सबसे ज़्यादा हम इसी से एसोसिएट करते हैं. Look at them and look at us. 2% genes and how much difference it has created. ठीक है. Next is your orangutan. So orangutan, remember that this is also highly threatened, critically endangered है. Why it is critically endangered? See, in Indonesia, where their habitat is there, yes, the cultivation of the palm oil at the cost of the forest it's taking. So that is why there is lot of habitat loss and fragmentation for these species. This is the reason this species is critically endangered. चिंपैंजी जैसा ही एक और स्पीशीज है which is your bonobo. Bonobo, the other name for this, it's called pygmy chimpanzee. Pygmy chimpanzee. If you see, where is this species endemic? Africa में है. One particular region is there. Beyond that, it will not be found anywhere else. The Democratic Republic of Congo. ठीक है. Democratic Republic of Congo. And this species mostly it will eat the fruits. So its behavior, its diet will be frugivorous. It will be frugivorous. Next, बोनोबो शायद ये भी endangered है. एक बारी मुझे चेक करना पड़ेगा. I don't remember this. ये तीनों हो गए. ये endangered ही है ना? It's endangered. ठीक है. तो ये सारे क्या थे याद रखना, ये सारे के सारे एप्स हैं. ठीक है. नाउ वी विल सी सम ऑफ द अदर स्पीशीज ऑल्सो. इन इंडिया देयर इज ओनली वन एप स्पीशीज. इंडिया का एप एक ही है, विच इज इट? हुलक गिब्बॉन. एंड रिसेंटली oil and gas exploration activities were given approval in the Hulak Gibbon हाँ, इसकी सेंचुरी का नाम क्या है? होलंगापर इन असम। उसके बारे में प्रोटेक्टेड एरियाज में भी हम कवर करेंगे, ठीक है, डोंट वरी। सो हुलक गिबॉन, रिमेंबर दैट दिस इज ऑल्सो एप, इट इज नॉट मंकी। मंकी बोलोगे तो गलत हो जाएगा आपका। विद इन प्राइमेट ऑल्सो देर इज डिफरेंस इन दीज, ठीक है। सो दिस इज एप, द ओनली एप ऑफ इंडिया, and it will be found only in the state of Assam. And its IUCN status, it is endangered. What is the IUCN status of this? It is endangered. And among all the apes we have studied so far, this is the smallest one, but it can run fastest among all. It is smallest but the fastest. So what is special about this? Smallest but the fastest ape. Yes, that is also ape. ये सबसे छोटा है। हाँ, सबसे छोटा है ये। Almost the size of the monkeys that we see, but remaining they are huge. ठीक है। So अच्छा, one thing is very peculiar about these Hulak gibbon. Their movements, if we see, that is in very synchronicity, especially during the breeding season. So at that time, their movement of the females in groups when they are moving, that is just like the robots. So इसलिए ना, अगर आपसे पूछा जाए robot dance, that will be associated with the Hulak gibbon. And another thing, the males and the females of this Hulak gibbon, they can sing all together. जैसे duet songs हमारे में होते हैं ना, so duet singing is also peculiarity, special feature of Hulak gibbon. They have the capabilities for duet singing also. ठीक है, this is something interesting about these. Now, in the habitat where you find Hulak gibbon in Assam, there itself you will find species of monkey, which is important for us because it is also unique in itself. Among all the primates, only venom containing, the only poisonous monkey, if you say, that is your slow loris. This is only venomous, the only venomous प्राइमेट। दोनों में से ये हमारा मंकी है, दिस इज नॉट एप। हाँ, दिस इज मंकी। मैकैक इज ऑल्सो मंकी, जो हम इंडिया में पढ़ते हैं ना, विल स्टडी अबाउट दैट लेटर ऑल्सो। द लायन टेल्ड मैकैक, दैट इज ऑल्सो मंकी। हाँ, तो अभी हम पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है। सो इसके रिगार्ड one of the species which is important for us, the Bengal slow loris. There are number of subspecies of slow loris, but for us, which is important, we need to know about the Bengal slow loris. So this species, one that it is endangered. IUCN status इसका endangered है. Why it is endangered? Because of the exotic pet trade. Because of exotic pet trade it is smuggled. ठीक है, मिलता कहाँ पे है? Apart from India, you can also find this in adjoining parts of China. India and China, you can find Bengal slow loris, and this is the largest of all the slow loris species. This is the largest among all the slow loris species. सब में से लार्जेस्ट है उनमें से। एंड its toxin is there in the scent gland located in its arm. Means there is this, it is having a scent gland in its arm, and from there it is releasing the toxin or the venom which you say. However, it's not lethal to the humans. If any human is getting bitten by this slow loris, at max you will catch bacterial infection, but its venomous effect will be more lethal for its prey. Some bird it is catching that will die at instant. ठीक है? So these are some of the special features about Bengal slow loris.